Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're diving into Liquid, a global cryptocurrency exchange found at liquid.com. This platform offers a range of features for both seasoned traders and those just beginning their crypto journey. Let's take a closer look at what Liquid brings to the table. Navigating to liquid.com, you'll find a clean and intuitive interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. The platform provides a comprehensive trading experience with advanced charting tools, order types, and market data, catering to experienced traders who require in-depth market analysis. However, Liquid doesn't neglect newcomers. They've incorporated features like Quick Exchange, allowing users to swiftly swap between different cryptocurrencies with minimal hassle. This simplifies the trading process for beginners, providing a more accessible entry point into the world of crypto trading. Security is paramount in the crypto space, and Liquid addresses this with robust security measures. They employ two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for the majority of user funds, and other advanced security protocols to protect user assets from potential threats. This focus on security provides users with peace of mind knowing their investments are safeguarded. Liquid's global reach is another noteworthy aspect. Supporting multiple languages and currencies, the platform caters to a diverse international user base. This accessibility breaks down geographical barriers, enabling users from various regions to participate in the crypto market. Beyond basic trading functionalities, Liquid also offers features like margin trading and lending, catering to more sophisticated trading strategies. These additional tools provide experienced users with more opportunities to maximize their returns and engage with the market in more complex ways. While Liquid offers a compelling platform, it's important to conduct your own research and due diligence before engaging with any cryptocurrency exchange. This review serves as an overview of my experience with Liquid, highlighting its key features and functionalities. Remember, cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks, so always proceed with caution and invest responsibly. Check out the links below for more information and be sure to subscribe to Rome Tips for more crypto insights.